V1 of the skill tree was all manually made. We had manual skill trees for projects and these nodes with specific guides where we would record the video and write out the content there. For V2, we wanted to figure out a way to make this more dynamic so anyone can make their own skill tree. So we've got this more dynamic canvas where you've got different nodes or guides that have the same structure. There's a video for information. There's a one-pager to help summarize it. New feature here, you can get feedback as you submit for this specific action item to see if you understand this specific node. And then you also have resources at the bottom. And so based off of this, let's say you're building your first neural net, you're learning what k-means clustering is, and you just don't quite understand what the elbow method is to start. So let's say based off this node, you're like, hey, I want to generate a new node. So I'm just clicking to the left here. We can see it's creating, it's pulling up the tool in the chat for node creation. We have the elbow method for k-means, and we're gonna hit enter. And so now what's happening is based off of this, this tree, it's going to generate just for what we prompted in, and it's going to make a node with a guide as well. It's an MVP stage, so it's going to take a little while for this to load. So we'll let this cook up and see what gets generated. And so once it's made, we can click on this node. It's loading here. And we can see here that it made a new node and guide just for the elbow method. So we have a video we can watch. We've got an explainer. And we also have a different action item we can do. And once we do that action item, we can submit for feedback here. And right now this submission is text-based. You can copy and paste code. You can copy and paste your understanding. If it's more of a reflection piece, you can do that. And what each node is interactive, so it'll actually give you feedback of like out of 50 points, how much your submission actually completed the task with new feedback for like, hey, just so you know, you should be able to define what the within cluster sum of squares are. You should be able to specify the plot and the X and Y axis for your graph. So it gives you actionable next steps to be able to resubmit again. So there's support here for each node. The whole intention here is you should be able to work on different projects and branch, almost like a mind map of where you need more help, where you want more understanding, where your curiosity takes you. So you can infinitely now make new nodes and new guides, and even just based off of early users. While we're focused on helping people build with the latest in machine learning and emerging tech, we've seen people make all different kinds of nodes so far across like data processing for music generation, tips for sci-fi story writing. I've been exploring different philosophy nodes, and we also have like food too in general business. So anything that you want a personal guide on and to level up and test your curiosity and actively work on something, these nodes are set up as smaller steps for a larger project. And curious to see what you make. Submit below and share what you build, and we'll feature it in a future product newsletter.